Alright, so I still don't have any ND filters. I just did the first flight video for this. And the very last thing that I tried was the active track, which did a really good job. So I'm gonna be trying to do this again today, if it'll follow me. And we're also gonna play with the, see if it doesn't hit anything. We're also gonna be trying this trace thing, because I mean, I think if you're a content creator, this is pretty useful. The only problem is you have to essentially walk around with the controller in your hand, or if you're doing like a client thing, you should be all right. I mean, so far doing pretty good. I mean, the trace feature is pretty nice. But what I really want to try is seeing how well this will follow me around like trees and stuff. It's kind of windy out, so I'm gonna put this behind me. Oh, I just walked into a spider web. Oh man. Fuck. All right, well, seems to have lost me going through the bushes over there. Let's get it away from that so it'll stop with the beeping. This thing does not like to be around objects. All right. Try this again. Now, it seems like it's maybe slightly the same, if not a little bit windier than it was last night. So, and you can't really see it, but the drone itself, still recording, all right. The drone itself, I guess maybe we should be recording this as well. It sounds like it's fighting the wind. But, I mean, obviously from camera view, you can tell that it's doing a pretty good job. Let's see if it'll get down low and follow me underneath the tree. I mean, she's going. She's following me. There we go. Let's see. Try to get it to come down a little bit. What I would be interested to see if it'll follow me through the garage. I may lose it here, but we'll see. Yeah. I don't think it's gonna try. That would be pretty sweet though. Alright. See if it'll follow me underneath this. The Mini 4 Pro just sneaked through under the awning. That's pretty good. Still looking for me. No, lost subject. And right now it is doing a little tree trimming. There we are. I mean, so far so good, man. I honestly think that this has done a better job than my Mavic 3 Classic has done. Granted, it's a lot smaller, but you know, if you're doing content creation and stuff, I mean, if you're on-the-go filmmaker or just somebody that wants to have a drone that can actively track them through shit, through the branches, not bad. Oh shit, it's following me. Hey. Yeah. So apparently you can switch between trace and parallel even while you're already tracking something. So if you want to switch it up, let's walk through over here. Got a lot of obstacles in the yard. I mean, I think this should be all right. Subject lost, all right. So you can lose it fairly easily. So like if you do a quick turn around like a building or something, seems like if I do this, unless I stop, where's he going? I don't know where it's going right now. All right, subject loss. Also, too, what I didn't do originally, let me stop this real quick. So originally on my first flight, I forgot to do the auto home landing to see how good it was at landing at home. I did it last night after I got done recording that video, but it was pretty close. All right. Let's do point of interest. It's going pretty quick, right? Not bad. Slow it down a little bit. We're gonna walk towards some trees. I know you guys probably can't see this, but it just flew backwards in front of a tree. So slow it down a little bit, I guess, maybe. All right, we're gonna I mean, so far, the Mini 4 has been pretty good with the active track. I mean, I was pretty impressed with it yesterday. and it seems to be doing pretty all right. So now I will say that what I have noticed with the Mini is as far as active track goes, it seems to hold on pretty well. So I don't have any complaints about that. I would like to try with the vehicle because obviously that moves a little bit faster. But it also seems to keep your subject pretty well framed in the center. We're gonna try walking around this tree again and seeing if it'll follow me. Dude, oh shit, yeah, that's good. And you can zoom in, like what I just did. See if it'll follow me behind this tree. This, you get that parallax zoom. So I mean, that's pretty nice. I don't know if you guys can really tell. I'm a pretty big guy, so I would try to run, but running is really not my thing, you know? So you can't go lower than a certain point or else it won't track you. So like, if I hold the stick down, minimum flight altitude reached, aircraft unable to continue to descend. So like, I mean, I would say it's about 7 feet, 7 or 8 feet off the ground. That's as low as it'll go. Also, like, I'm gonna stop over here for a second. If you're doing active track and there's something like moss hanging, I've noticed that it sees that moss as an object and it won't go if it's swaying in front of it. That's what happened last night. But, I mean, it's doing pretty all right. Let's see how well this will do right now. I just put it in a really bad situation. Got trees and branches and all types of stuff in the way. Yeah, did not like that. All right, let's I really got to figure out how to turn this beeper off because that's pretty annoying. Right, active track, let's go. There's a pippy. A little pippy. Between the trees. I mean, it does pretty well. So I don't really have any complaints about that. I will say, I don't remember the max battery flight time, but it doesn't seem like we're getting probably close to what DJI claimed, although it has been pretty windy out, so I'm not really sure. I mean, obviously that's going to affect it some, but also at the same time it kind of sucks. Oh, I got a email. Oh, another spider. Spider-Man. Get me pictures of Spider-Man. But for what it is, I think the active track on this is pretty good. I mean, I honestly will have to compare this to the Mavic 3 because I don't necessarily use active track that often, but I want to, I obviously want to say that the Mini 4 Pro is doing a hell of a job keeping up with me, going through trees and around objects. Like, that was pretty good. Let's go over through this way. Right? Let's see it. No. Yeah, there we go. Almost. Come on, Mini. Alright, I don't want to make this like a 40-minute video, so we're gonna close this out here. Alright, so hopefully this helped you guys with your purchase. If you're looking for this information, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If you didn't like it, also give it a thumbs up. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit all the buttons. I'm Jordan, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.